show you the region problem. When we move from custom ROM to global ROM, frequently we face a problem which is China region problem, which got stuck every time. So I'm gonna show you the solution here, how to solve this. Here you can see I'm using global version. You can see when I'm tapping on region, it's not working. So how to fix this? For this you must need TWRP recovery and one file you have to flash through. Now reboot your device to recovery mode. I'll provide the link in description, one zip file. After flashing that file, you will get every country and you will be able to access any country you want. One important thing, you must keep your file on internal storage. Let me show you the file. You can see my file on UC downloads. You can see that file, all region cast. Just select that file and swipe. You can see flashes down. Now reboot system. You guys can see phone has booted up. Now let's check it out. Our region has fixed or not. You can see now you can access any region, any country, whichever you want. I am selecting my own. So that's the process for that. If you guys like my videos, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon. And if you are new in my channel, then do subscribe. And if you already subscribed, then thank you so much. Thank you for watching.